What up, y'all? It's been a minute. One of the last things I had to do before we moved upstairs was install a range hood. But we made a boo-boo. We installed the outlet way too low. Ah, there's our handiwork right there. It should go here. Living in Brooklyn, we haven't had a vented stove in quite some time. So you need a range hood to properly vent the gases and smells that come off of cooking. And you carry those bad boys out of the house through a roof penetration. Also, if you don't vent your stove, things have a way of getting sticky and unpleasant in your kitchen. In order to fix the mistake, I had to take an angle grinder and cut a new hole in the tile. The angle grinder is my unsung hero. Then rewire the outlet. Remember to switch your breakers off if you're doing electrical work, please. And voila, we're back to square one with a slightly higher hole in the wall. Now the fun begins. I laid down some painter's tape and then put all my marks and measurements on that. The painter's tape also gives the drill bit a little grip. You gotta really make sure to measure twice and drill once. And make sure all those holes in your respective range hood line up with your marks. Use a level and take your time. I definitely took my time after my previous goof. I used a diamond tip bit to drill these holes. And I usually start from like the corner, the side, almost the side, and tip it up as I go, like so. Right here I'm dipping the bit in the water to preserve it, because those bad boys aren't cheap. It took me a second to figure out how all the gaskets work on the top side, but I got there eventually. I then connected it to the vent in the attic. Put the upper brace in for the shroud. A little trim here, a little trim there. And there we have it, a working range hood. No sticky dishes, no stinky smells, etc.